So in today's video, we are going to see hashing. Hashing is the important function as far as the data structure is concerned. Why it is important means whatever the data we are collecting and we are storing into the memory, searching the particular data, it is very complicated. Okay, so at the time of searching the data, we are taking much time to search the particular data, and according to each and every method the search time it is different. Okay, in hashing, so what we are doing means we are reducing the time complexity. It is big O of 1. What is it? Whatever the data I am taking from the hash table, the time complexity is big O of 1. It is nothing but order of 1. It means that it needs only 1 second to find it out the appropriate information. So that's why hashing is one of the searching techniques that uses a constant time. So constant time it is very important. Okay. And using hash function, how can we take? We can calculate the address at which the value can be stored in the table. So we are calculating the address. According to that address, we are finding the appropriate entry in the hash table. Okay. So here I am giving here, this is key. Just it is separate. This is key, and key it is what is it? Inserted into, we are adding the hash function in the key, hash function, and then it goes to, it is converted into corresponding hash value, then it goes to the hash table. So this is, we call it as hash table. Okay, so in that hash table, each and every actual data which is stored as a key. So that's why it is given that actual data which is stored as a key. Then each and every left hand side value, we call it as hash value. Okay, so through this way only we are storing the data into the hash table. We are taking the actual value, apply the function, make it hash value, then I am going to the hash table and I am storing the actual value in the actual data in the hash table. Okay, so this is what the idea. And there are three ways of calculating hash function. What are all the ways? One is division method, another one is folding method, third one is mid square method. Okay, so in division method, the hash function can be defined as, so this is the formula for finding the hash value or hash function. H of k, it is equal to ki modulo m. So what is modulo m? Modulo, we already know that modulo operator, it gives the remainder. Okay, so h of k, what is h of k? H of k is a hash function of that particular key, then it is equal to that key value modulo m. M, it is nothing but the size of the hash table, and k is nothing but a key. Okay, for example, suppose I am taking the key value as 6, then the size of the table it is 10. How can we calculate? We are taking these two values and we are applying this formula in this formula. So h of 6 equal to, that is ki 6 modulo 10. So what is the remainder? What is the value? Resultant value, it is 6. It means that the index 6 at which the value is stored. We go to the 6th column and we store the actual value in the hash table. Okay, so through this way only we are calculating the address in the hash table at each and every time. Okay,